Best Beginner Motorcycle 2023 KTM 390 Adventure. The world of motorcycling is as diverse as it is thrilling, and for beginners, choosing the right motorcycle can be a daunting but exciting task. The 2023 KTM 390 Adventure, with its winning combination of versatility, performance, and beginner-friendly features, stands out as one of the best options for those embarking on their two-wheel journey. In this exploration, we'll delve into what makes the 2023 KTM 390 Adventure the perfect motorcycle for beginners. KTM, a legacy of performance and innovation. KTM, short for Kronreif and Trunkenpolsmatagofen, is an Austrian motorcycle manufacturer renowned for its commitment to high-performance motorcycles. With a history dating back to 1934, KTM has a well-established reputation for producing rugged, off-road, and adventure-ready motorcycles. The Adventure lineup, designed for explorers. The Adventure series from KTM has earned a special place in the hearts of riders who crave exploration and discovery. These motorcycles are built to conquer diverse terrains, from city streets to off-road trails. The 2023 KTM 390 Adventure continues the legacy, offering riders an entry point into the world of adventure touring. Perfectly balanced power. At the heart of the 2023 KTM 390 Adventure is a 373.2cc, single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine. It produces a manageable 43 horsepower, providing enough power to tackle a variety of riding scenarios while maintaining approachability for novice riders. This perfect balance of power ensures that beginners can comfortably and confidently handle the bike. Lightweight chassis, agile and nimble. One of the standout features of the 390 Adventure is its lightweight chassis, which weighs in at just 348.3 pounds, 158 kilograms. This low weight contributes to its agile and nimble handling, making it an excellent choice for navigating city streets and tight trails. Novice riders will find it easy to control, even in challenging off-road situations. Suspension and brakes, premium components. The 390 Adventure is equipped with high-quality components that enhance the riding experience. It features a fully adjustable WP Apex suspension, which allows riders to fine-tune their ride for comfort and control. The motorcycle also boasts powerful brakes with Bosch ABS for added safety. Novice riders can rely on these components to provide a secure and confident riding experience. Off-road capability, conquer any terrain. For beginners interested in off-road adventures, the 2023 KTM 390 Adventure is an excellent choice. Its long travel suspension, high ground clearance, and spoked wheels equipped with dual-purpose tires ensure that it can handle a variety of off-road conditions. This means you can explore dirt trails and backcountry roads with ease. Comfortable ergonomics, ready for the long haul. Adventure riding often involves long days in the saddle, and the 390 Adventure is designed with rider comfort in mind. The upright riding position, well-padded seat, and adjustable windshield make it comfortable for extended rides. Novice riders will appreciate the ergonomic design that minimizes rider fatigue. Advanced features, technology at your fingertips. The 390 Adventure is equipped with a comprehensive suite of features. The TFT display provides essential information at a glance, including speed, gear position, fuel level, and more. It also offers smartphone connectivity for navigation and calls. Novice riders can enjoy the benefits of modern technology on their adventures. Underseat fuel tank, improved weight distribution. An interesting feature of the 390 Adventure is the underseat fuel tank, which not only provides a sleek look but also contributes to better weight distribution. This design results in a lower center of gravity, making the bike feel even more stable and controllable. A motorcycle that grows with you. The 2023 KTM 390 Adventure is not a bike that you'll quickly outgrow. It's a versatile motorcycle that can evolve with your skills and interests. Beginners can start with the confidence that they're on a bike that will remain exciting and challenging as their riding abilities progress. Fuel efficient and economical. Adventure motorcycles are known for their long-haul capabilities, and the 390 Adventure is no exception. Its efficient engine ensures that riders can go the distance without frequent fuel stops. This is not only practical but also economical, making it an excellent choice for both daily commuting and epic journeys. In conclusion, the 2023 KTM 390 Adventure is a motorcycle that caters to the heart of every beginner who dreams of adventure on two wheels. It is versatile, lightweight, and easy to handle, making it the ideal choice for those new to motorcycling. With a well-balanced power-to-weight ratio, advanced features, and the capability to tackle various terrains, the 390 Adventure is more than just a motorcycle, it's an invitation to a world of exploration. Novice riders will find the 2023 KTM 390 Adventure to be a trustworthy companion as they embark on their journey through diverse landscapes, from city streets to rugged trails. With its comfort, versatility, and performance, the 390 Adventure opens the door to a realm of exciting experiences and unforgettable adventures, ensuring that every ride is a new chapter in the epic story of exploration and discovery.